everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is well. I hope everyone is blessed. I am blessed, and I hope you all are blessed, and I know you all are blessed. So I'm coming to you again with a video, but let me read my scripture first. Cast thy burdens upon the Lord, and he shall sustain thee. Psalms 55:22. Cast thy burdens upon the Lord, and he shall sustain thee. Psalm 55:22. He that cometh to me shall never hunger. John 6:35. Thank you for listening to my scripture. All right, I'm getting ready now to make a collard green casserole. And I've already kind of just pre-cooked my collard greens. I had a package of frozen collard greens. And I cooked them just enough. And with the turkey bacon and onions and just a little bit of cut up onions and cut up turkey bacon. And now you can use also you can use the turkey meat if you like, but today I didn't have any done already, so I'm just using the turkey bacon. Okay, so now I'm going to make my cornbread. This is made with the Jiffy Cornbread mix, and I'm using 1 box of the Jiffy Cornbread mix right now. And it says, and it's called for 1 egg, because I'm just using 1 box. And this is the direction. It's on the box. Okay. It calls for 1 egg. And 1/3 cup of milk. That's all it calls for. This is 1/3 cup. Okay. Sometimes the egg is a little bit small. It's not quite as large. So I'm going to add just a slight bit, about another teaspoon of milk, because if the egg was really large, I wouldn't have had to put any more milk in. So I have to add just about another tablespoon or so in here. If you got large eggs, the large eggs makes a difference when you're cooking the cornbread. So this is about another tablespoon. I don't really. All right. Okay. So I'm finished with the cornbread. And I'm going to spray it in the pan. See? Now I'm going to spray my pan for the cornbread.
And what size pan?
This one is 8 by 8. That's what it says, 8 by 8. So, or 8 by 8 got 2 different things on it. So one size is 8 by 8, and I'm thinking the 8 by 8 is what you want to know, though. I don't know why it has 2 numbers on it.
And y'all, if y'all want to make a bigger casserole, you just have to double or triple the
recipe.
Because I don't know, somebody may want to make it for Thanksgiving for a large amount. Just double or triple the recipe, and it's very good. She had one of her subscriber won in every contest they put it in. So it's a very good recipe, y'all. Okay. So it'd be good for Thanksgiving. It'd be good for Christmas, New Year's, or just and it's just Sunday meal.
Anytime you want for yourself. You want something different. So it's a little bit different, but it's very filling. So I'll go from there.
Yeah.
Let me get this.
She's been making this casserole for a long time, y'all. Long time. She ain't just started making it. We put videos up on here already.
Okay.
Hey y'all, sorry about that. I thought the camera was on. She put some of her cornbread mix at the bottom, and the rest will go on top.
In here I have cream cheese, a whole 8-ounce package. Cream cheese, okay. And I'm gonna put the cream cheese inside the pot with the greens and bacon. And then I have some more bacon. Okay, this is garlic powder. Okay. Okay, this is onion powder. This is just a little bit of white pepper I'll be putting in. Okay. And I'm going to be stirring this up. And this is a package of frozen greens. I don't think I left the package out there.
How many ounces are you using? How many ounces of greens was that?
It was 14 on the package.
So she's using 14 ounces of greens.
If you want to use less, you can. But this is the package comes to 14 ounces. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting in, this is my cream cheese.
And
And it's
again,
room temperature.
yeah, so it can soften. And again, it's 8 ounces of cream cheese. Okay, y'all, that's sauteed onions and bell pepper she's pouring in now in turkey bacon. You can use any kind of bacon you want.
Any kind of meat you want.
Okay, y'all, she's putting some complete in there now. As we say all the time, y'all can put whatever seasoning that you want to put in it, you can put in. This is what we use. Okay, y'all, this is a very good dish. Like I say, you can season it the way you want. Very quick and easy to make. A lot of time we put chicken in it. Sometimes we put turkey in it. Today we're just doing the turkey bacon. And like I said, you can do pork bacon. Whatever you want to put in it, you can put in it.
Put a little bit more cornbread mixing.
Okay, y'all, she's pouring the greens inside on top. So this is how you do it. And if you want a big pan of it, just double or triple the recipe. And it'll come out the same.
Okay, then I'm going to cover it with the cornbread mix.
Very simple to make, y'all. Very simple recipe. Very simple. Very delicious. And it's good with you. It's used good with leftover collard greens, turnip greens, all of it. She did warm the turnip greens, but she have several of them with the collard greens. Warm the chicken, grilled chicken in it, all of it. So you can just put whatever you want in it. It's so good, so good. And like I said, she's been cooking this for years.
Okay, due to the part that everything is packed now, and the Jiffy Cornbread mix, it doesn't have as much cornbread in it, mix in it as it used to. So I had to use another half box of the Jiffy Cornbread mix. and added another egg to it in order to have enough to cover it, even in this 8x8 bowl, 8x8 pan here. Because everything is kind of cooked. I mean, built is shorter than what it used to be even a few months ago. Where I could get it use one package, but now you have to almost have two to do it.
Okay, y'all. She's gonna put in the oven for 20 minutes on 350, and we'll be back.
Okay, this is my final presentation of my collard green casserole. So now you all can see it, and it's very good. Although I just finished eating dinner, so I'm quite full.
Here's the finished casserole, y'all.
It is. I know it's very good. They all been pretty good, and I've been eating so much today. I am so full right now. I don't think I can taste it for you. I know it's good. It'd be good, but anyway. Now maybe I just try, but I can't really eat.
Okay, y'all. Here's the casserole being cut, and there it is on the plate. That's how it comes out.
Guys, okay. It's very hot, so very good. It's still very hot, you guys. I want you to see it. Just come out here. And it's still very, very hot.
Okay, y'all. Like I said, this is a good meal for Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, or just whenever.
Anytime. All right, I thank you all for watching this video. And I hope you will enjoy it. This is something very good that you can use anytime for any occasion. And you have your vegetables in it also with your cornbread. So thank you all. Watch it. You may need to have it for Thanksgiving or for Christmas, or just doing, maybe you want to take it on your job or somewhere else, or something extra for your Thanksgiving dinner or Christmas dinner or your parties or whatever. I think everyone will enjoy it.
Yeah, it's so good. Oh my goodness, so good. And as I say, she had a subscriber use it in a whole lot of competition, and she won every time. She let us know that she won. So y'all please try it.
And you all can also use your regular collard green after they're cooked. And now, you have to cook them first, and of course, try not to put no...
Yeah, she's talking about leftover collard green. Like, you have something left over, you can use it also.
Yeah, they're good for leftover food or whatever you want to put it in. And but it's very good. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you soon in the next video. Miss Lena's Kitchen. Collard green casserole. Very, very good. Very, very good. It's off the chain. Thank you so much. Happy holiday. Bye-bye.